In this video, I will update Blender to the latest version while keeping all the old settings and add-ons. To do this, open your current Blender and you can see this is the version that I have right now. After opening, make sure you don't make any changes like deleting any default objects because these changes will be reflected in the new version. Go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File and click Overwrite. Our startup file has been saved along with all the settings and add-ons. You can close this and go to the official Blender website. I will link it in the description. You can see this is the latest Blender version available. Click download. Select your operating system here and then click download Blender. You will get a pop-up asking for the download location. Select a location of your choice and click save. You can see our download has started. After some time, the file has been downloaded. Open it in folder and then double click. Follow the regular steps to install any software, and once the installation is complete, click finish. You can see I have both the old and new versions here. Open the new version and click here on Import Blender 4.3 Preferences, and our old settings have been imported in this new version. You can see if I open my add-ons, some add-ons that are not enabled by default are enabled here because I had them in my old version. Now you can go ahead and uninstall the old version of Blender. If you want to know about some amazing AI tools that can generate 3D models from images or text prompts, you can check out this video right here. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.